Logging is one of the most important and useful steps a developer can take when working in Node.js. In this lesson, we will cover how to logging in the Node.js and see why logging is a good idea. For the best practice, I am opening my previous project and I will continue logging on this project. Before implementing logging, I need to get permitted by reg.query from our endpoint. The basic system for logging is console. It can just show you something in the console or terminal. There are many options for showing log in the console package. Console.log shows log simply. Or if you want to show error, you can use console.error to show log in the error structure. Even you can use it show expectations. We will use Morgan because it can increase overall efficiency and functionality of your application. Now we are going to use Morgan. Morgan is the HTTP request logger middleware in the Node.js. You can use Morgan in Express or even vanilla HTTP servers. But here I prefer to use Express. And Morgan is already installed in the Express. In Morgan we have many options reduce our log. You can define your own format according to their documentation. Here we are going to use most of them. For example, I want to show client IP address and date with CLF format. Let's try it in the Postman and see the result. For test, I will write many options of Morgan. For example, for getting user ID, for date we have ISO format and web format. Adding method, is it post or get or something else? URL, HTTP version, our status code, anything from res, for example content length, referrer, user agent, response time for getting execution time, and anything from reg, for example header. I think is enough for now. We have another amazing thing in Morgan is having filtering function. For example, I'm going to write a function to skip all logs when the status code is 404. Now you can see our status code is 404 and we didn't get any log. There is another thing for customization report. For show what I mean, I'm going to write custom middleware, something like this to assign a simple ID to each request. And I will define it as a token in Morgan. Another thing which is very amazing in Morgan is saving logs into the file with the right stream to save them. In the next video, I will explain about Winsom package and how to see logs in the online tools.